Today we will explain the flag and check flag blocks to you. These blocks allow you to retain one or more actions or pieces of information performed by the trainee and modify your scenario accordingly. The main advantage of these blocks is that you can easily create alternatives to your scenario without having to duplicate it completely at each junction. Let's see how it works. In this tutorial, we will give the trainee a choice between 3 questions to ask a character. If the trainee chooses the third question, an additional dialogue will involve another character in the scenario. We have positioned a sentence choice block to create an interaction with the trainee, a flag block to retain a piece of information, a check flags block to verify if a specific action has been taken, and 3 speak blocks to guide the trainee in the scenario. Our sentence choice block has 3 possible answers. In our example, the main character's assistant will only participate in the scenario when the trainee chooses the third question. Let's set up our flag block by double-clicking on it. To retain the trainee's choice, we must name our flag. Here we decide to call it Help Assistant. The green icon indicates that we are retaining the trainee's action. We can validate this configuration of our flag block. To use the information, we must set up a second block which is inseparable from the flag block, the check flags block. During the experience, this block allows the scenario to be adapted according to the state of the flag, and therefore the trainee's choices. Double-click on the check flags block to set it up. In our scenario, we want to check the status of our Help Assistant flag, and thus we select it in the drop-down menu. In concrete terms, the check flags block allows us to verify if the trainee has chosen the third choice of our quiz, and to guide him to the correct continuation of the scenario. Let's validate this configuration of our check flags block. In our graph, and only when the trainee has selected the third choice of the scenario, a speak block will be used after the green output of the check flags block. Let us observe the behavior of the scenario if we choose the first answer. On the other hand, we could also have selected the sentence that would make the assistant react. To end this tutorial, let's look at this alternative.